Sweet potato pottage, the most perfect blend of sweet and savoury. Here's how to make this delicious recipe. So as always, I start by preparing my vegetables. So here I've got a quarter of a medium brown onion and I'm just going to chop this up. Next, I've got about a quarter of an inch of ginger and I'm just going to dice this up. I've got my garlic. As always, I smash it and that just helps me dice it up nice and finely. Now I've got my sweet potato. I'm just going to peel it and chop it into chunks. So now to make our pepper blend, I've got my blender and I'm just going to add in 1 Romano pepper and 2 tomatoes and I'm going to blend that down. The tomatoes will give it quite a watery texture as you see here. So now I'm forming the base of my sweet potato pottage and that is just adding some oil to a pot and cooking and sauteing down the onion, ginger and garlic that we chopped earlier on. Then I'm going to add that pepper mix that I just blended together and I'm just going to let it cook down. I season it with 1 Maggi cube. After that, you want to add in those potatoes that you chopped up earlier into the pot and you want to add water until the potatoes are just about covered. And then you boil this for about 20 minutes and that's going to get your potatoes nice and soft. Now to get it into the pottage type of texture, you really just want to mash it down. You can mash it down until there's no chunks left, but I like mine to still have some chunks in it. So I mash it down but keep it still quite thick. If you need more water to get it even softer, then just add a bit more water. I also add some basil on top, but equally here you could use spinach as well. I just like the taste that basil gives it. Again, you continue to mix this all up, mash it down here and there, and you just want to let it steam for about 5 minutes and this is the finished product. Now this is super delicious. You can eat it on its own or have it as a side. It's nice and sweet because of the sweet potatoes, of course, but the seasonings and the basil just give it a savoury kick as well. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.